Hi crafty friends, it's Sylvia. Hope everyone is having a wonderful day today. Welcome back to my channel, Scrapping Sylvia, and if you're already a subscriber, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please like and comment. Okay, so guys, you know how much I love fairies. So I went on Rhinestone Goddess Creations on their website, and I ordered this from Lauren. Now Lauren already has her website, so you could actually go there and you can just so many beautiful paintings. She has this ongoing sale going on where if you buy 3 you get 1 for free, and if you buy 4 you get 2 for free, and if you buy 6 you get 3 free. So that's wonderful. All right, so let's open this baby up. I already by accident cut the top here, but that's okay. Let's get it out. Here we have the sticker. Well, actually, this is not the sticker sheet. This is just a inventory sheet. Let's put the canvas aside. And it has the beautiful picture of the fairy. And it's, I believe this is by Stellar Designz. And the inventory sheet basically tells you that it has 60 colors. It tells you the symbols, the DMC color, the quantity, the weight, and how many bags. So according to this, there's 62 bags, but there's 60 colors. So that means that there's this one, this color here, 939, has 2 bags. So there's 2 colors of 939, but everything else is just 1 bag. All right, so this comes in handy. You could actually use this for your logbook too. All right, so let's get the drills out. And what else we have here? We have the toolkit, and let's see if I can get the sticker sheet out. Let's put the canvas aside for now, and let's look at the sticker sheet. Okay, again, the sticker sheet, this is for your logbook. It has the picture. You put the start date, the end date. This is their logo. Okay, it basically, these are pre-cut stickers, so you can actually put these in your container. Okay, what I'm looking at, it looks like it has 1 through 9, and then it has the alphabet all the way to a backward Z, and then everything else are symbols. So you got a star, an equal sign, a plus sign, a question mark, and some arrows, and so on, and a musical note. Okay, so let's put that aside because we don't need that for now. And it comes with a toolkit. So let's see, let's open this baby up very quickly. So if you're a newbie, you'll have everything that you need to start diamond painting. So here's a pen, here's a comfort grip. You put this in here. This is supposed to help with your hands. Okay, and then this comes with a single placer. This, I believe, is 2 or 3 placer, multi-placer. And there's the wax. It's a blue wax. Oops, there's 3 of them, and you just have to peel the plastic back, and that way you're able to get the wax. Okay, and it also comes with purple metal tweezers, very, very sharp, so be very careful. It comes with some baggies, just in case you are traveling and you need to put them in the drills in the baggies. Here's another multi-placer. I think this is like a 7. And of course, a tray. So like I said earlier, you have everything that you'll need if you are a beginner. Okay, now the greatness also about this company is that when you order, you could actually select the size that you want. You could also select the drill type, so if you want a square or round, and you could also select the extra drills. So in other words, I selected 3 ABs and 2 shimmer, which is Fairy Designz. She calls them 2 shimmer drills. Or you can order 5 ABs or none, just regular drills, or 5 shimmer drills. Now, as you can see, these are the beautiful colors, okay? And the drills are resin, which is great, okay? So we're gonna look at the canvas, and then we'll come back to the drills, and we're only gonna pick out the special drills, okay? But as you can see, there's like a little bit of everything. So you got a little bit of peach, purples, yellow, brown, greens, pink, light blues, browns, like every color you can think of in the rainbow, different color pinks, different color blues and greens. And you know how much I love the blues and the greens. All right, and yeah, so 60 colors, and it looks like they're in order, which is nice. So we're gonna put that aside. All right, and now let's bring out the canvas. I'm actually unrolling it, but then I'm gonna roll it the other way, this way. Okay, so we can flatten it a little bit. Now, as you can see, the canvas is soft. Okay, I believe it's supposed to be a silk flocking canvas, right? And it is poured glue. And as you can see, it also has scallop edges, and it also has the pinholes, and that's to prevent from fraying, from the painting falling apart. And voila, let's look at this beauty, okay? All right, so look at this beautiful fairy, guys. I love her. All right, so let's very quickly, let's look in the top. There goes the logo. It does have 2 legends, but I need to push this light back because it's causing some glare. Okay, I think that's good. So it does have a legend on the top on the left-hand side, and then it has another legend. Let's see if you can see that. Can you see that? Has another legend on the bottom right-hand side. When you look at the legend, it does come in handy because in the first row, it tells you again how many colors. So it has 60 colors. And then in the middle, those are going to be the symbols, and the symbols is what you're going to find in the painting. And the third row are the DMC. Now, by looking at it, it tells me it has 1, 2, 3 ABs, and the ones that say ZG, those must be the 2 Shimmer Drills, which is going to look absolutely gorgeous if you like bling. Okay, and then in the bottom in the middle here, it says Rhinestone Goddess 22 at yahoo.com. And then over here, it basically has the picture. It tells you Rainbow Fairytales, which I think they misspelled it there, by Stellar Designz. And again, Rhinestone Goddess Creations. And I selected a 65 by 65 centimeters. All right, so let's look at this beautiful fairy. What I love about this fairy is everything. Look how gorgeous she is. Look at those wings. Look at those wings, guys. Look how colorful they are. And then I love the glass behind her. I believe that's like a huge circle glass window. It's absolutely stunning. And then of course all the butterflies and the different shades of blue behind her, and her little outfit. And then she's surrounded by butterflies, but she's also surrounded by flowers. Look at these beautiful flowers. And let's not forget this beautiful lantern that she's holding. I'm sure there's probably going to be some shimmer there. And you see her feet, more flowers over here. And I just love just the colors. I love the wings. This is why I love fairies. I think my favorite part of fairies are, of course, the wings. All right, and it's very clear. I believe I selected a round, but this also comes in a square. So I'm just going to bring it up so you can see her wings, her face, that beautiful butterfly, the lantern. It's very clear, guys, by the way. Look at that flower. Let me just, so you can see this flower over here. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Can't wait to begin on, start working on this one. Okay, so we're gonna put it aside, and we're gonna bring out the, actually, let's just turn it this way. That way we can bring out the colors. All right. Well, we're not gonna bring out all the colors. We're just gonna take out the special drills. Because these are too many, guys. All right, let's see. So I believe, yeah, 59, 58. How many did we say? 3, right? Let's see. I think these are the 3 ABs. That's probably the shimmer and this one. Let's see, I can't see. Yeah, that's it. Okay. I have these new glasses, guys, so I don't know why, but I might have to go back, but I cannot see with them that well. Okay, once more, just very quickly, a little scan of the beautiful colors. It's every color in the rainbow. Love all these over here. Okay, put that aside. All right, so let's see. I'm going to bring out the sticker here. So it says that 56. Hello, Sylvia. Okay, 56 is 208 AB, which is like a very pretty purple. And now we're gonna need the light again. Let's move this light closer so we can see. the ABs. All right. So this is, what did I say? 208 AB, and it's a very, very pretty purple. Okay. And this one is 995 AB. Very pretty blue. Beautiful blue, actually. Look at the shine on that. And then this one is 996 AB, another blue, but this one's a lighter, beautiful blue. And then, of course, the 2 shimmer, which is basically the same thing as fairy dust diamonds. And so that should be mica. And this one is 600. Looks like it's a very pretty red. And this one is 3766, another beautiful light blue. Okay, so now we're gonna bring back the painting, or turn around the painting, and let's see where these drills go. Oh, these special drills. All right, let's turn her around. Okay. Oh, there's something in there. I need to take that out, guys. Yeah, I'll do that later. All right, so 56 is 208, so it's like a little circle, like a little round circle. Let's see. Okay, we have some down here, which I don't need. Wait, I dropped the sticker. Oh God, today's clumsy day, guys. Peanut butter. What is that? Peanut butter? No, peanut butter. Oh my gosh. Excuse me. That was funny, actually. Okay, 208 AB. It's the little round one that goes around. So you have it here around the flower. You have some here on her dress. You have some here on her wings. Let's see, how about up here? I don't need that right now. Let's see up here. Yep, definitely up here on the wings. Let's see, anywhere else up yet? Some up here on the wing. How about that? Some on the butterfly, on the big butterfly. And some on these flowers over here. And of course the glare again, I'm sorry. So some on the flower. Some on this purple flower down here. Okay, I think that's it. So it looks like it's going to be mostly on the flowers and on her wings. And the butterfly, the big butterfly. Okay, the next one is this one. And this one is a musical sign. Okay. Oh, I see it right here. It's on the wing. One of the wings. Is it on her dress? Nope. Oh, you have some down here. Okay. And you have some over here at the bottom. Is it more on her wings up here? Oh, more on the big butterfly. Some more over here on the butterfly, right over here. All this blue. Oh, and wait a minute. And around this beautiful window. Oh, wow, that's going to look really nice. Okay, and now, of course, some on this little butterfly too. And like I said, on the wing. So again, butterfly, wings, and of course, this is going to be around the window, the round window. Okay, this one is 58. So this is going to be, it's like a plus sign. Let's see. Yeah, it's going to be in the window. All over here in the window. Is it on the butterfly? Some on the butterfly. The wings. Let's see. Nope. Some over here, down here on her wings. Let's see how it's down here. Yep. There's some down here on the bottom, down here in the bottom. Okay. All right, let's put that one aside. And this is the red one, which is the shimmer drill. And this is letter E. Oh, right here. Right here on the wings, on the flower, on this beautiful pink flower. Let's see up here. There's some here on the flower that she has on her hair, and some on the butterfly. Oh, definitely on this butterfly. This very pretty butterfly. And over here, and this right here on the flower, and this big flower. Oh, and some of this flower here. So wherever you see that red color, you have a little bit here too. All right, and then this is the last one. Okay, so this is, let's see, this is like a triangle, not a triangle, it's like a diamond. It's like 4 little diamonds. Let's see. Okay, down here, some on her dress, some on her wings. Let's see, how about the background here on the window? Oh, no, I thought it was going to be there. Nope. Okay. Well, you know what? I'm looking at this, guys, and if I would have ordered more ABs or more shimmer drills, I'm sure they would have been definitely here. So I'm definitely going to add some bling here. Definitely more bling, actually. So, yeah. I love her. Like I said, you guys know I love fairies. And, of course, it has all the beautiful colors that I love. All right. So I hope you guys love her as much as I do. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the week. And thank you, and bye-bye.